In 2022, people are starting to hear more and more about investing. Whether in stocks, crypto and even forex, people are often easily manipulated by some fake gurus or scammers. So that's why I will teach you today how to detect scams and avoid them. Let's start with that. 2 days ago I received a message on Discord from a person who was in a common NFT group with me and was pretending to be Adidas and offering to mint the Adidas project. I found it really weird because why would Adidas send me that? So the first thing to do when you get a link from anyone, please check if the site is legit. If it is not, close the page immediately. But sometimes, these scammers can be very tricky and can still make the website look legit, even if it isn't, so always be careful. So back to my story, when I went to the fake Adidas link page one was sent, it actually looked legit, but the fact that Adidas contacted me by message was a big red flag, so I decided to type in another Adidas NFT Google page myself, and the real site made by Adidas looked 100% like the fake one, but the difference was that on the real one the minting was not possible anymore. Everything was sold out, while on the fake one it claimed that you could still mint an NFT. And that's how I knew 100% that it was a scam. In short, be really careful when you click on the links that anyone sends you, and to be sure that it's not a scam, follow these small steps. 1. Check the security of the site. 2. Beware if you are asked to enter your bank details in any form, like you received an Interact, you have won $1,000, this company offer you this iPad, just enter your ADI, or claims your $500. That's all fake, guys, don't be fooled. Money doesn't fall from the sky. And my third tip is to go to the website by yourself so you are 100% sure you are safe. Whether it is a site you know very well or not, apply those tips because you never know. Sometimes some legit websites can change design, and some scammers send you the old design to try to fool you. If you use Telegram, be aware because there is a lot of good groups, but lot of scammers too. So if someone contact you and say that he can change your life, you will be rich, and he asks you to give him $1,000, and he will give you $2,000 in 1 hour, run away and block this foolish. First of all, there's no way you can make easy money like that, too good to be true, and second is if it was really legit, that guy who send you this would never told anyone and will just flip his own $1,000 every time. Even if those guy try to convince you with proofs and screenshot like this. Those screenshot mean nothing because it's easy to find them anywhere on internet or just edit them. I hope you learned a lot from this video and will not get scam anymore. If so, give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to support me and for more content. If you're still here till the end, you're a legend.